Hello, welcome to Onlive Server. So today in this short video tutorial, I will be explaining you the steps to purchase the VPS from our company, that is Onlive Server. In order to purchase the VPS, what you have to do, just open your browser and type onliveserver.com and press enter. As soon as you press enter, so here you can see that this is the new window and this is the official website of our company. Here you can scroll down and you can see the various services which our company is providing, and thus you can decide what service you want to purchase as per your convenience. At the live chat option, what we get most of the query from our clients, that they often get confused about the payment methods. So here I will tell you, when you will scroll down our website, so in the lowermost column here you can see the various options mentioned, like PayPal, Paytm, Bitcoin, PayU, Visa, either UPI, or you can go to Alipay, Union Pay, Yandex Money, Web Money. So here it is like various options are available for you to make the payment. So now here you can see that this is our dashboard. In the dashboard you can see the various informations about the dedicated server, VPS, cloud hosting and all. You can just click on any one of the options and you can visit it. Now go to the VPS and just click on all VPS servers. As soon as you click on all VPS server, here you can see that we have a worldwide presence in over 30 plus countries, and we have clients all over the world who are opting our VPS service. So in what countries we are providing our services, that can be seen by visiting this place. As soon as you scroll down, now here you can see that this is the video where I will be discussing it about the Brazil VPS hosting plan. In my previous videos I had told you about plan X of the Brazil. So now in this video I'm telling you about the plan Y. Now here you can see that these are the 4 plans of Brazil. The plan Y is costing you $70 a month, and it provides you a 2-core CPU with 2 GB RAM, 60 GB hard disk and 1000 GB bandwidth, and this whole VPS is based on the KVM architecture. Just click on buy now option. As soon as you click on buy now option, this page is redirected to the shopping cart. Here you can see the order summary that what order you are going to purchase. Since I am in India, so this amount is shown in Indian rupees, but if you are out of the country, then obviously this amount will be shown in dollars. Now for Brazil VPS Server Y plan, here is the technical detail which you can just have a look, that what is the server name, what is the processor, that is of 2 core, the memory is of 2 GB, storage bandwidth is like 1 terabyte data transfer. Here obviously you are getting one dedicated IP. This operating system, this you have to decide whether you need a Windows or Linux based operating system. Now about billing cycle, see, billing cycle is totally dependent upon you. Suppose if you are having a short usage of your VPS, then what you can do, you can just go for the monthly plan, or you can go for quarterly plan, or if you are looking out for a long usage of your VPS, then it is better to switch to the annual payment option. Because what happens in monthly, sometimes our clients get confused, or they get forget about the amount due. Okay, so in that case it gets problem that your server might get suspended or might get terminated, so it is better to select it accordingly. Right now I am selecting it as a monthly pay. At the time if you are ordering this server, the plan Y, then I will request you to please leave these all options as blank, because this our technical team will be filling it accordingly. Now configurable options is like, suppose you need 1 more or 2 more or 3 more additional IPs. See, additional IPs are generally, right now as of now, they are costing it as a $3 per month. If you want to have an additional IP, then what you can do, then later on you can add a note, or you can raise a ticket from the client area requesting our team that you need 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1 additional IP. Accordingly our billing team will send you an updated invoice, and then you will just pay and you will get an additional IP. Operating system is like what operating system you want, whether you need a CentOS, Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, or it's like you are looking out for Windows 2008, 2012 or 16 version. Okay, and one thing more you have to remember, that apart from that $70, if you are going for Windows operating system, then you have to pay an extra $10. Okay, and this extra $10 is usually for the licensing cost. Now bandwidth, see, with this VPS we are providing you a bandwidth of 1000 GB. Okay, that is 1 terabyte with 100 Mbps speed. If you need an additional extra bandwidth, then you have to pay extra for that is $10, and then you have an extra bandwidth, that is double the bandwidth. Control panel, see, most of the time we get inquiry about what control panel you have to fill. Just remember, if you're going out for Windows, then just leave it blank. If you're going out for Linux and you don't need a control panel, then also just leave it a blank. But if you want that, if you are in the hosting field, or if you're thinking that you want some control panel like Z panel or webmin or CentOS web panel, just select it. Okay, then our technical team will install it for you. See here, it is like control panel, it is totally free. But if you're going out for C panel or you're looking out for plus panel, then that panel have an extra cost which will be added accordingly. Okay, so right now I'm just keeping it as suppose it as none. Okay, that I need nothing. Now my order summary gets updated, so my total amount is like this much INR. Now you just press on continue. Okay, so our data center is in Sao Paulo, Brazil also. This information usually most of the time we get. So now here you can see that I am having a Brazil VPS server plan Y. Okay, so in plan Y it is like the quantity right now selected is 1. Now here what you have to do, this is Brazil VPS server, this is the technical configuration which you can just check it at the final time that what you want. So right now what you can do is that this is the order summary. Now just check this order summary and then just check this final technical details, that if you want to add on something extra or it is enough. So if you are quite confident that this is the only configuration which you need, then you can just click on checkout option. As soon as you click on checkout, this page will be redirected to your personal information. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to just fill your personal information, or if you are already a registered client, then you just click it here and continue. Or if you are the first time which you are visiting, then what you can do is that you can just fill all your personal basic information, your billing address, and please remember to fill your correct email address, because if you are not filling the correct email address, then you will obviously not get the correct information or correct login details to your mail ID. Then what you can do, you can just scroll down and here you can see that this is the total amount which you have to pay. And now this is all, it's like these are the preferred method of payment which our company is accepting right now. That can be either the debit card, or that can be the European bank transfer, or Union Pay, or Bitcoin, or PayPal, or web money. So this all dependent upon you through which method you need to pay. If you want to add something, that if you have some special request, or if you want to have some additional additional changes, additional configuration information, if you want to pass it on to our technical team, then I request you that just add a short note here, and that our technical team will follow on if you have some special requirement. Okay, and then just click on complete order. As soon as you click on complete order, this complete page will be shifted to the payment option page. From there you can just complete the payment, and as soon as the payment is completed, we will receive your order and our technical team will start working on same, and they will try to deliver the server in at max within an hour. Okay, so this was the complete procedure to book plan Y of Brazil VPS. And suppose if you are having any other information, or it's like if you want to, in this complete process, if you are facing any issue, then you can just go to the live chat option. You can just click it here, and then you can just type hi and hello, and then you can just one of our executives will be in touch with you, and then they will in the short span of time they will help you out. Okay, so this was all about plan Y of Brazil VPS. Thank you.